Hi, in today's lesson in Microsoft Word, we'll learn how to make the header row of a table repeat across pages. So we have here a table that flows through several pages. So here we have page 1. See, this is a very long table that covers 3 pages. This page 1, this is page 2, and the table just continues on all the way to page 3. Now what we want to do here is to repeat the headers, that means the titles at the top right here, at the beginning or at the top of each page. So how do we do that? I remember having done this before when I was new at using Word. I would just copy that. See, I'll just click the copy button. So select the first row, copy, and then I will paste it right here at the top of the next page, right? So I'll just paste it right there. There you go. Good, right? Problem solved. But that's not a very elegant solution, because if, for example, here at the first page I decided to add another row, see there, the title just goes to the second row of the table here on the second page, and that's not so good, right? Okay, so what's a better way to deal with this problem? So let me just undo this. Undo. So I undid the copying of the title right here. This is very simple. So I'll select the first row. In fact, you can just place your cursor at the first row, but I'll select it. And then go to the Table Tools tab right here and go to the Layout tab. And simply click this button over here called Repeat Header Row. And once you've done that, this first row will now be repeating in the rest of the pages. Problem solved.